Welcome back, nail crew. Thanks for joining me again. Today I'm doing some dip nails on one of my daughters. This is going to be so fun. I haven't done dip nails in so long. I cannot wait to dive into this kit. All right, guys, so I'm going to do a little bit of vlogging as well. So you got to come with me to pick her up, and then we'll head back to my house and we'll get the dipping going. What's up, nail crew? So I'm on the way. I'm actually outside her house now. So picking up my oldest daughter, and I'm going to do some dip nails. So Muffin just ran inside to go grab her, and yeah, I'm gonna do some dip nails. Waiting for her to come out right now. Come out right now. I know she has to be here because she knows I was on my way. I don't know, Muffin's just at the door like ringing and ringing. But anyway, so just a little quick update on these Enail Polygel nails. I have kept these on for 3 weeks. I didn't mean to keep them on for 3 weeks. I meant to do like a 2-week and then give you guys an update and then take them off. But I just been so busy that here it is, 3 weeks and they're still on. Yeah, so no lifting, no nothing. And like I said in my other video, I hit these like, these nails have took some serious abuse and they are still on. Like you can see. Can you see? Like there's a lot, I won't focus, but there's like a lot of grown out spaces and stuff. But no lifting. I'm just tired of them because I kept them on too long. Also, the bling gel that I made, yo, none of my stones are missing. So that's dope. That's dope. Remember, for my bling gel, I used Builder in a bottle and then the top coat that came with this kit, and that was the bling gel that I made. And none of my stones, I got big stones, I got small stones, none of them are shifted, lifted, chipped, nothing. So that's a good, cheap, inexpensive way to make bling gel, y'all. You're welcome. But anyway, sorry. You have no hair to be worried about.
I know, but
I'm recording, by the way.
Get sick. Oh Lord.
Say hi.
How's it going?
I'm recording, so.
Oh. Hey. You know what's funny? I do that too.
What?
I have videos on my phone. I'll set the phone up and just set it up.
Y'all smell good though.
Thank you. We took a shower.
Naya, you're so cute today.
Every day.
You tried it.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't boast her.
Don't tell her she cute.
Oh, yes. Yes, she don't gotta act. You're a hater.
Alright, she's not cute. Muffin is cute.
Where's Marvin?
You're cute, Marvin is home asleep. I called him this morning. He didn't even answer the phone.
I like your car. It's a nice car.
Thank you. It's new.
Pretty tough.
What y'all doing? Y'all talking about me?
Yeah.
Why?
She's not even speaking English. Yeah, when you flipped the camera, it was like, let me get a little bit of this there.
Because it's lightning, it's like, it's gross. Alrighty, I don't want to park over here and get wet, so I'm just going to park in the grass. Alright, so it's raining and nobody wants to get out the car first because, alright, go Muffin. Oh, Naya left me. Alrighty, so I'm the last one. I do not want to get out like it's pouring. It's freaking pouring and I don't want to get like so wet. I don't want to get this wet. And I don't have anything in here. So, like I don't have an umbrella or a towel to put on my head. Like, oh my God, like it got worse. I'm gonna be stuck in this car. They all went inside, like they legit went inside and they left me. Oh, Naya went and got me an umbrella. Yes, yes, yes. Naya got me an umbrella. I'm still wet though, but I got an umbrella, so not as bad. All right, guys, I made it home safe and dry. I had to cut a lot of the vlogging out because I didn't want to record as I was driving, especially in weather like that. Even with the hands-free system, I just was like, oh, I gotta focus on the road. So that was that. But I do have this dip kit here, guys. Oh my god, do you see this packaging? Y'all know I live for a good package. Like this box, I'm just so excited. It's a big box. I feel like it's Christmas. Like, I'm just gonna dive into this box and it's gonna have everything I need. It's so pretty. Like, it's just so cute. Oh my god, I can't even wait to get in this box. So right away, I just want to dive into them colors, guys. Well, let me show you guys this insert first. So it's a nice, thick, almost a laminated paper. This side looks like almost like a poster. Like, boom, hello, hang me up in your nail room. But on this side, it tells you, let me just straighten it out. All right, so on this side, it tells you the instructions, step by step. If you're a newbie at dipping, it just lays it all out for you. And it's in big font, so people with poor eyesight, no excuses not to have your nails done, boo. No excuses. All right, so this is the kit, guys. It comes with a buffer. It comes with a file. Now, Naya had to help me get it out because my nails was not cooperating. It comes with some cuticle oil. Come on. It comes with this orange stick. And what I love is this brush. Are you kidding me right now? Like, are you kidding me? I'm obsessed with this brush. I don't know any dip kit that comes with a brush. And the brush feels like really good quality. All right, let's get into these bottles. There are 5 of them. One is the bond or the primer. The second one is the base, which is also the glue or resin. The third one is the activator, which dries the glue. The fourth one is a top coat, which is actually another glue or resin. And the fifth one is the brush cleaner. So if your glues get sticky or clumpy, you dip it in the brush cleaner and that saves your brush. Now, I know someone might ask me, why is the top coat the same as a glue or resin, right? Well, it actually dries very shiny. So if you wanted to use the glue as a top coat, you can, because it is going to give you that shiny, glossy look. But it's also going to give you an extra added protection to the nails. You could use that as a top coat if you want to, but you don't have to. And you'll see that in this video, I don't opt to use their top coat. I go ahead and I just use a regular polish like I normally would. So what I did was I went ahead and prepped her nails the same way that I normally would, pushed back her cuticles, use my cuticle drill bit and just got the dead skin off the nail plate. Now I'm going in with the sanding band and I'm just removing the shine. I'm not taking off any layers of her nail plate, just literally buffing off the shine. I went ahead then and I glued on some tips. The link to these tips will be below. And because she wants a little bit of a stiletto nail, I'm clipping the tips of them with this straight edge nail clipper. So it's not the typical nail clipper. This is a straight edge. You can find them at, I don't know, Family Dollar, Walmart, any of those stores. And right now I'm just pre-shaping the nail. And pre-shaping is when you shape the nail before you add the enhancement, okay? And it just makes the end filing a little bit easier. You'll have less to do in the end if you do some pre-shaping. So that's what I'm doing right now. This is what the nails look like when I'm done. Now, one thing the kit did not come with was dehydrator, and I do have a video on how you can make your own. So don't worry about purchasing any if you don't have any, okay? Now I'm going in with the primer. This primer came with the kit, and I'm going to add one thin layer to all the nails, let that dry, and then add a second layer. Once that has dried, we go in with the resin, okay? So I have the resin, and then I also have this acrylic or this dip powder. So we're gonna go in with the clear. Now, you can dip or you can sprinkle. I sprinkled in my last video, I believe, so I'm just going to dip in this video, just so you can have a variety and you can see how to do it each way. So what I'm doing here, which is different from the instructions on the paper, is I'm only going halfway on the nail. So in the instructions, it tells you brush the resin on the entire nail and then dip. I don't want to do that. What I want to do is start at the apex of the nail, brush the glue or the resin at the apex down to the free edge. That's going to give me a thicker layer at my apex and the tip, and it's going to have my cuticle area a little bit more flat and flushed. All right, so again, let me repeat that for my newbies who are new at dipping. You don't have to fill the entire nail with the resin on the first go. I like to start right at the apex, and that's it. So my first dip is a half dip. Now this is my second dip. So after all the nails have been half dipped, I go back and I fill the entire nail with resin from the cuticle area to the free edge, and then I do a full dip, and I do that to all the nails. So that's what I'm doing now. So as you can tell, I'm just brushing it from the cuticle to the free edge, and oh my, they look so good already. They really, really do. Oh my gosh, I miss doing dips. I used to do dips all the time, and then I fell in love with polygel, and I was like, okay, forget dips. And now I found a new love for acrylics, and I was like, oh, there's so many ways to do your nails. All right, guys, so now I'm going in with my third dip, okay? And this one is also going to be a full dip. So the first dip was a half dip, second dip was a full dip, and the third dip is a full dip. And you could do as many full dips that your little heart desires. I typically do 2.5 dips, and then I'm done. The nail is built, it looks nice and strong, and they last for a very, very long time. You are welcome to do as many dips as you want. Now after my 2.5 dips, I go in with my color. So today she does not want to do the pink or the red. She wants some glitter, right? She wants a few accent nails with the glitter, so that's what I'm going to do. You can do as many glitter nails as you want. We are just going to do 2 on each hand. That's what we decided. And they're going to be like random. So you're going to do this exactly the same way that you did the other nails. Brush the resin on from cuticle to free edge. And then you are going to dip or sprinkle the acrylic powder or dip powder onto the nail, and boom, that is it. Now you could add as many layers of the color as you want. I thought 1 layer was good enough. She didn't want her nails too thick and bulky, and I don't know, it looked pretty good with just 1 layer. It gave me enough thickness and it looked good. The coverage was great. I didn't think we needed to go any more than that. And I just want you guys to know there's many different ways to use dip powder. Like this is literally just a basic way, but it will give you the look that you want. They will last a long time, but there's different techniques that you could use when using dip. And I might do another dip video for you guys later if you want. But once you're done with all the layers of the colored powder that you decide to use, you want to go in with the activator. So all the activator is, it's a glue dryer, okay? So it's going to dry the resin the same way that the UV LED light dries your gel polish. This activator dries the glue, okay? Now, the glue can dry without this activator, yes, but it's going to take a very, very long time, and no one wants to do that. No one has that type of time. So I like to add this activator, and I gotta be honest with you guys, I add a lot of it because I really want it to seep down deep between all the layers of glue and powder and dry every layer. So I do add a lot of it. Just be careful not to get any on the skin because obviously we know that could cause some irritation, right? So once you've done that to all the nails, you file them the way you would file any other enhancement. File them, and at this point you could add that top coat that came with the kit, or you could add your own polish. So today I went with the color she chose, which was yellow. And I think they came out very, very pretty, especially after they were filed and buffed and all that fun stuff. They came out super, super cute. She said she liked them at least. So I guess that's all that really counts. And that yellow, it just screams springtime. So I enjoyed doing this set. That cuticle oil, it wasn't too thick, it wasn't too thin, and it wasn't sticky. I don't like sticky cuticle oils. It felt really nice. I hope you guys like this set. It was fun. The vlogging in the beginning was fun for me as well. I liked hanging out with her and her girlfriend. We had a good time. I hope you guys like these nails. Give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Oh, and don't forget, guys, I do have a coupon code below. Check my description box below. I have a 10% off coupon, guys. If you're going to get this kit, go ahead and get it now while my coupon code is still activated. I don't know how long it's going to be good for, but this kit is definitely worth it, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for rocking with me till the end, as always. And I will leave another video here for you guys to watch. See you later. Mwah.